Did you guys know that there was a guy named Garibaldi, and this guy united northern and southern Italy, and he even has a cocktail named after him? Well, if you did not know that latter part, then let me show it to you. So, as I have told you guys in the intro, we are making a cocktail that is named Garibaldi. Garibaldi was this crazy Italian guy who united northern and southern Italy, and the cocktail kind of resembles what he did because Campari, which is, you know, a bitter Italian liqueur, it's an aperitif. It is made in the north of Italy, and the oranges that I have here that you can't see because it's in the shaker are made in the south of the country. This is gonna be ridiculously simple. You can see all the tools that you will need right here. Firstly, I'm going to add these by hand because I'm an absolute jerk. Firstly, we are going to add 1 1/8 ounces of Campari. And then we are going to add about half of our pre-measured orange juice, which for me is 4 ounces, which in turn means that we are going to add about 2 ounces to our Campari. And now we're just going to lightly, very lightly stir this. And now with the rest of our orange juice, if you have a blender, you can use a blender. Right now I just have a shaker. We're just going to shake it in order to aerate it and have some froth to it. This really depends on the freshness of your orange juice. Mine is not fresh in the slightest. And now what you can do is add more of your ice. As you can see, we can have a little layered cocktail, and this whole concoction is incredibly simple, and it's a breezy summer drink. Ladies and gentlemen, the Garibaldi. Taste-wise, of course, the Campari dominates with its citrus peely bitterness. The orange juice is more towards the finish. It's a perfect balance between bitter and sweet. Thank you guys so much for watching today's cocktail video. If you liked it, you can click like. If you want to see more content like this, you can follow the channel either here on YouTube or on TikTok. I was Sharpie. See you guys in the next one.